In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a hyperlink in Gmail. Whether you're crafting professional emails or sharing interesting articles, knowing how to easily insert hyperlinks can make your emails more engaging and informative. We'll go through this simple process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage where you can see your inbox. Now, to start composing a new message, simply click on the Compose button. This button is typically located on the left-hand side of your screen, just above your list of email folders. After pressing Compose, a new email window will appear in the lower right corner of your screen. Here, you'll see various fields where you can enter the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and the body of the message itself. In the email body, type out the message you'd like to send. Wherever you want to include a hyperlink, navigate your cursor to that specific spot. Next, select the text you wish to turn into a hyperlink. This could be a word, a phrase, or even an entire sentence. Once you've highlighted your chosen text, direct your attention to the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window. It contains several icons, including an attachment clip and a format painter. Look for the chain link icon, which is universally recognized as the Insert Link button. Give the chain link icon a click. A dialog box will pop up, allowing you to enter the URL of the web page you want to link to. Make sure you enter the full web address, beginning with HTTP or HTTPS. Careful attention here can help ensure the link directs to the exact page you intended. After pasting or typing in the link, be sure to click OK or Add Link in the dialog box to confirm. At this point, you'll notice that the text you selected now appears as a hyperlink, usually underlined and in a different color, indicating to your recipient that it's clickable. Before sending your email, it's always a good idea to test the hyperlink to make sure it directs to the correct destination. To do this, simply click on the link yourself and see if it leads to the intended web page. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, you can proceed to send your email by clicking the blue Send button. There you have it. A quick and easy method to insert hyperlinks into your Gmail messages. This small trick can really make a difference in how you present information, ensuring your recipients have direct access to additional resources or information with just one click. Keep practicing this skill, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more tips and tricks to enhance your email efficiency.